Hey, it's time to do some wrenching.
Okay, what I'm going to be doing today is changing out some spark plugs on a 2007 Saturn Ion. And the spark plugs are pre-gapped, but I like to check them anyways. They said they're gapped at 43 thousandths, and it's supposed to be at 44, but 43 is okay. And nice iridiums here. And they got the plastic thing on it, so they should be good. My gauge, feeler gauge, and so you can see that 44 is right here. 44 ain't going, but the 40, so it's more than 40. Yeah, it's probably right in the spec. I'll check the rest of them after, but yeah, it should be good. I'm also putting in an air filter too. Also want to add, I got these spark plugs. I got a rebate going on these things right now. So these are AC Delco spark plugs, and I paid $5.75 for them. See these at Rock Auto. And the iridium ones, which that's what these are, you get $3 off, so they came up to $2.75 each. And they got this going on till August 31 of this year. Okay, let's go out in the garage and see what's cooking. I think that Saturn probably had, I wouldn't doubt, Saturn's got like about 120,000 miles on it, and I've known both owners. I know they're two females, and I doubt that they ever changed them out. It would be surprising to see what's in there, because I bet you it's probably original filter, and probably they do their oil changes, but they don't do it much anything else. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's the original stuff in there. So let's go check it out. Okay, she just came in with this, so it's hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Spray it down with some of this stuff. Armor All. It's pretty good on plastic. Let's give it a quick cleaning. I'm not gonna go to town on this, but that looks better already. Yeah, it looks better already on this one too. Now I'll take this cover off. Put that back on so nothing falls in there. To the side. Okay, and I'll be right back. It's got to cool off a little bit. Okay, while I'm waiting for the engine to cool, I can replace the air filter. Snap here. Snap here. And you take this unit back like that, and then up. Pull the old filter out. Doesn't look too bad, actually. It must have been changed at one point. Not too bad, but hey, I'll put a new one. I got one. Inside. You push it on there like that, and there's little tabs down here you got to hook into. There. And then just put these on. That's it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, also while I'm waiting, I got some debris down here, so I'm going to blow it out. Okay. Okay, I think she cooled down enough. Okay, you gotta take these coils off. And they're on 10mm bolt. Should just come right out. There it goes. And take a socket. We've got a magnetic plug socket. Work good for these because they're deep in the hole. Pretty tight. I believe these are 15 foot-pounds. I'm not going to torque them. I'm just going to snug them. I kind of got the feel for these things, so if you want, you can use a torque wrench. Like I said, it's 15 foot-pounds. Look at that, it comes right out. Not bad looking. Not bad looking at all. I don't know when they were changed, but they don't look too bad. Maybe they were changed at 100,000. I don't know. I don't see the previous owner anymore, so I don't know for sure. But looks like they're burning good. So that means the engine's in pretty good shape. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do is, well, I'll put a new one in here. You know, these are like chrome nickel plated, I think, or nickel plated. I mean, you know, they're shiny. They don't need any anti-seize on them or anything. So just put them in like this. And it helps with this magnetic plug socket. I mean, you can the other ones, they got a rubber inside them, but sometimes they don't hold too good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and another thing I like to do is put a little bit of this dielectric grease on a Q-tip. And I put it on the inside. That way next time it's gonna come out easier. And that's it. And then put the bolt on. And these two are just gonna snug them. That's good. Okay. Alright, instead of me showing you all these plugs, I'll stop it here. I'll take them all out and I'll show you what they look like at the end. Well, here's the plugs. They look pretty good. But, well, the ones she got in there will last another 100,000, so I mean that's what they're good for. I would probably change them out at around 70 or so, but they all look good, and her engines means her engine's all good, the rings and seals and what have you, so that's good. And you know what I did? I did take a torque wrench to it and checked it, and it was fine the way I was doing it. You know, I can't stress enough about this thing, this tool. This magnetic plug socket. I mean, these are great. If you're going to do a job like this, these really come in handy. I mean, see, it don't come out. It's great. You know, you gotta, because if you, otherwise you might drop it in a hole and then you'll change the gap on it and bend it and what have you, you know. So, and you could crack them too or something. So this thing's really comes in handy. I got this at O'Reilly's. It was $6.99. So, if you want to get one, if you're doing this kind of job, this thing comes in handy. Alrighty. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you at the next video. Take care.